Okay. Beta, on page 85, see there is a chlorine. Okay, the example of chlorine. It is again the example of a single bond. Single bond means when the two atoms are sharing their one electron with each other. Okay, that is single bond. Single covalent bond. Okay, and single covalent bond is when both atoms share their one electrons with each other. Okay, so this is single covalent bond. Now in here they have given you the example of chlorine molecule. Okay, chlorine gas. Now chlorine gas, its electrons are 17. Okay, total 17 electrons. So its configuration is 2, 8 and 7. How many electrons it needs to get completed?
1.
Yes, one electron. Okay, and there is another chlorine, one more chlorine having the same configuration. This chlorine also needs one electron. So both chlorine need one electron, but there is no one to give the electron. Okay, but both of them
That
want.
means they will share one electron with each other.
Yes, so they will share. So two chlorines, they will come close. Their shells will overlap. Okay, I am drawing dot and cross diagram, so I will indicate one chlorine electrons with cross and the other one electrons with dot. Turn off your mic, beta. Okay, so chlorine, we know that needed is equal to shared. Okay, rule number 1, needed is equal to shared. So if they need one electron, they will share also one electron. Okay, so chlorine number 1 will share its one electron, and chlorine number 2 will also share its one electron. Okay, and then we can complete the outer shell. Chlorine has total 7 electrons. Out of 7, it shared one electron, so rest of the 6 electrons will be outside. Okay, and for chlorine number 2 also, one electron out of 7 electrons, one electron is shared, and rest of the 6 electrons are outside. Got it, girls?
Yes, miss, I got it.
Yes.
Okay, good. So both chlorines are sharing their one electron with each other. So they are making single covalent bond. Okay, so if we can write them like this also, chlorine dash chlorine. Okay, so this one dash is indicating single covalent bond. Okay, you can make it like this also without shells. Without the shell, you can also make. Okay, this is dot and cross diagram, and this is ball and stick diagram. This one. The green color one, ball and stick diagram. Count the electrons in the outer shell of each chlorine atom. Do they both have 8 electrons? Do they both have 8 electrons now?
Yes.
Because previously chlorine was having 7 electrons, but now one is shared. This chlorine also shared one electron with the other one, and other chlorine also shared its one electron with the first chlorine. So now both of them are having total 8 electrons in their area. They are both stable compounds. Are they both stable compounds to their separate atoms? Is this compound stable? Yes. This compound is stable, okay, having complete shells. So this is single covalent bond. Now, next is that the covalent bond, okay, same page. Covalent bond is of 3 types. Single covalent bond, in which each element, each atom will share its one electron. Okay, so one electron is shared. Okay, one electron. And double covalent bond, two electrons. Each atom will share two electrons with each other. Okay, for this we will do the example also. Two electrons are shared. Okay, double covalent bond. Triple covalent bond, 3 electrons are shared. Each atom will share their 3 electrons with each other. That is triple covalent bond. Okay, and in your book, there is no not detailed study of double and triple covalent bond, just simple 2 or 3 structures. Okay, just practice them, and inshallah they will come in exams. Okay, not any other example.
Miss,
Hmm.
the test that we're having on Tuesday,
Yes,
is it gonna be on forms or on paper?
on paper. You have
Okay.
to open your OneNote for that. Okay, for the test. I
Okay.
will upload it here. Okay. Now double covalent bond.
Is the test on Monday or Tuesday?
Tuesday, beta.
Tuesday.
Okay. So for example, oxygen gas. Okay, oxygen gas, oxygen molecule is the example of double covalent bond. So let's see the example. Oxygen has, there are 2 oxygen atoms. Okay, as you can see from the formula, 2 oxygen atoms. Oxygen has total 8 electrons. Okay, so its configuration is 2 6 and 2 6. How many electrons they need? Each of them. Each of them needs 2 electrons. Means both of them need 2 electrons. So what will they do? They will share 1 electron or 2 electrons with each other. Yes, online girls. How many electrons they will share?
Teacher, 2 electrons.
Yeah, because they need 2 electrons. There are only 2 oxygen atoms and both of them need 2 electrons. Okay, and there is no one to give the electron. Both of them needs. So they will need. So they will share the 2 electrons. Okay, oxygen. I'm not drawing the inner shell because it's complete already. Okay, shell. Their shells will overlap like this. Okay, 2 shells. And the shared electrons, need is equal to share. Okay, so they need 2 electrons, so they will share also 2 electrons. Okay, so oxygen number 1 is sharing 2, it will give its 2 electrons in the overlap area. Okay, and oxygen number 2 will also share its 2 electrons in the overlap area. Okay, so 2 crosses, 2 electrons of one oxygen, and 2 dots, 2 electrons of the other oxygen. Got it till here? Okay, and then complete the rest of the shell. It contains, both oxygen contains 6 electrons total. Out of 6 electrons, it gives 2 electrons in the overlap area. It shared 2 electrons. So 4 electrons are left. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electrons will be outside. Similarly, for oxygen number 2 also, out of 6 electrons, it has given 2 electrons in the shared area. Okay, it shared 2 electrons, and the rest of the 4 electrons will remain outside, like this. Okay, so this is oxygen molecule dot and cross diagram for oxygen. Dot and cross diagram for oxygen molecule, and its ball and stick diagram will be oxygen, oxygen, okay, and 2 lines, 2 sticks. Okay, this time 2 sticks because there is the double covalent bond. Each oxygen is sharing 2 electrons. Okay, so the sticks
So,
will also.
teacher, if they will share 3, then there will be 3 sticks.
Sorry.
Teacher, I'm asking that if they would be sharing 3 electrons, so there would be 3 sticks.
3 sticks. Yeah, good.
Okay.
We will do it right now. Yes, beta. In the question we mention. But if it is not mentioned, if they just ask you to draw the bonded picture of it or covalent bonded diagram, then draw dot and cross. Okay, always draw dot and cross if it is not mentioned. But mostly it is mentioned. Okay, so this is oxygen molecule. Now in your book, in double bond, they have given you the example of carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon dioxide is a molecule which contains a double bond. Look at the diagram below. Okay, so this diagram is of carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, there is one carbon and two oxygen atoms. Carbon has total 6 electrons. Okay, please see it carefully. Carbon has 6 electrons. Oxygen, each oxygen is having 8 electrons. Okay, so the configuration will be, but will be carbon configuration
Miss, your
4
voice
and
is lagging a
oxygen.
lot. Can you
Miss,
repeat?
your voice is breaking.
Yeah,
Miss,
I'm
can you
saying,
repeat?
yeah, I said that in carbon dioxide, there is one carbon and two oxygens. Okay, two oxygen atoms. So carbon has 6 electrons. Its configuration will be 2, 4. Oxygen has 8 electrons. So its configuration will be 2, 6. Is my voice clear now?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now see, carbon needs 4 electrons to complete its outer shell, and each oxygen needs 2 electrons. Okay, so how the bond will form? Carbon will be in the middle. Okay, like this, and 2 oxygens will be on the sides. Their shells will overlap like this. Okay, and need is equal to share. Okay, so oxygen needs 2 electrons, 2 electrons. So both oxygens will share their 2 electrons with carbon. Okay, I am indicating oxygen's electron with dot, both oxygen's electrons. So oxygen is sharing 2 electrons. Now see, carbon needs 4 electrons. Okay, so it will share 2 electrons with oxygen 1 and 2 electrons with the second oxygen. So now it is sharing 4 electrons because we know that the electrons needed is equal to electrons shared. So carbon needs 4 electrons. So it is sharing also 4 electrons, but 2 with one oxygen and 2 with other oxygen. Got it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now we will. Carbon has already 4 electrons which it has shared. Okay, so no electrons will be outside. But for oxygen, there will be 4 electrons outside because oxygen already has 6 electrons. So 2 electrons oxygen shared and 4 electrons I'm making outside. Okay, which are not shared. They are lone pairs like this. Okay, so carbon's electrons with cross and oxygen's electrons with dot. Okay, so we will make its structure like this. Ball and stick diagram: carbon, oxygen, oxygen, and 2 sticks with between each carbon and oxygen. Okay, because carbon is making double bond with oxygen 1 also, and it is making double bond with oxygen number 2 also. Okay, so it is making like 2 double bonds. So there are 2 double bonds in carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide molecule. Okay, it has a linear structure.
Yes,
Linear
okay,
means
teacher.
straight structure. Carbon dioxide is a molecule which contains a double bond. Look at the diagram below. Each pair of electrons in the overlapping shells is a covalent bond. Okay, so each pair of electron is representing covalent bond.
Teacher, your
So a
voice
double
is
bond
glitching a lot.
is made up of 4 electrons.
Miss, your voice is lagging.
Teacher, your voice is
I'm
lagging.
reading from the book,
Teacher,
beta.
your voice is lagging a lot.
Okay.
And now your voice is gone.
Miss,
Miss, your voice is gone. Can't hear you anymore.
it's lagging a lot, miss.
Still you cannot hear me?
It's lagging, miss.
It's lagging, teacher.
Lagging? Okay, wait.
Yes.
It means it's
Yes,
breaking.
miss, it's lagging. Yes.
My voice is glitching for them. They get properly. Wait. Oh wow, Abiha. Nice here, mashallah.
Thank you.
Okay, you can hear me now, right? Or is it still
Yes.
glitching?
Yes.
Still glitching?
Sometimes it glitches, sometimes it doesn't. It's fine now.
Okay. Maybe it will not glitch now. Hope so. Okay, so it's a covalent bond. Okay. Now let's do a triple bond.
Miss, are you speaking?
No? Now I will speak. Okay, so triple covalent bond. In your book also there is an example of nitrogen gas. Okay, see this page, same page, triple bonds, and the example of nitrogen gas, N2 molecule is given. Okay, this example, N2, two nitrogen molecules, two nitrogen atoms. Okay, N2, two nitrogen will come together and they will form triple covalent bond. Okay, let's see how they will form triple covalent
So,
bond.
teacher, the triple bonds and the double bonds, they depend on the number of atoms or the number of electrons?
Number of electrons being shared.
Okay, teacher. I thought they were the number of atoms.
No, number of electrons being shared. If they share, if each atom shares one electron, it's a single bond. Okay, if each atom shares two electrons with each other, then it's a double bond, double covalent. And in case for nitrogen, we will see,
Teacher, I got it.
yeah, we'll see that it will share, each nitrogen will share three electrons. So nitrogen has total 7 electrons present. Okay, its atomic number is 7. You can confirm it from the periodic table also. Okay, its configuration is 2,5,2,5. Okay, and the complete second shell is having 8 electrons. Okay, complete shell has 8 electrons. So each of the nitrogen needs 3 electrons to get completed. Right? 3 electrons. So both of the nitrogen atoms, they will come close, their shells will overlap. Okay, the bond is formed when both of them, all of the atoms, they need the electrons. No one is ready to give. Okay, then they will share. So they need 3 electrons, so they will share also 3 electrons each of the nitrogen. So nitrogen number 1, 1, 2, 3. Can you see the highlighter? The online girls.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 will be outside. Okay, because there are total 5 electrons in nitrogen number 1. So I made 3 electrons inside the shared area and 2 electrons outside, total 5. Okay, then for the next one, next nitrogen, 1, 2, 3 electrons in the shared area and 2 outside. Okay, so nitrogen, each nitrogen is sharing its 3 electrons. So it will make triple bond. Okay, we'll make like this, N triple bond, 3 dashes, N, and its ball and stick diagram will be nitrogen, nitrogen, and 3 sticks. Okay, each bond, one bond is representing a pair. So how many pairs are how many shared pairs are there in nitrogen molecule?
3.
3.
Yeah. So 3 shared pairs, okay, and 3 bonds. So each bond is representing 1 pair. If there are 3 pairs, so 3 bonds. 2 pairs, 2 bonds, like in oxygen. Okay, so this is
Teacher, covalent bonding is easier than ionic bonding.
mm-hmm. In ionic bonding, you have to make the charges and everything also, right?
Yes.
Charges, and then you have to make the formula. But here the formula is already given to you. You just have to make the diagram. Okay,
Yes.
see, triple bond nitrogen gas makes up most of the air. Do you know how much percentage of nitrogen is present in the air?
No, teacher.
Yes, we learned it in grade 6 too.
Yes,
Huh?
teacher, we learned it
We
in
learned it in
biology in grade 6.
70,
72. 72.
72, 75. I
Yes.
think 78. No?
Yes, teacher,
Teacher
78.
somewhere in 70s.
Yeah, so something 70, but above 70 percentage. So it makes up most of the air.
Yes.
And oxygen, I think oxygen is 16% or something like this. So nitrogen
Yes.
molecule contains a triple bond. Okay, so this is now the chapter is finished. Okay, only 2 pages are included. Okay, then we have question answers, but I will not discuss the question answers right now, but just tell you that which questions are included. So tick mark.
Okay.
Just put a tick. Question number 3. Question number 4. Okay, all parts. I think question number 4 has 4 parts. A, B, C, and D.
Miss, for ionic compounds, I didn't understand question number
ABC.
6.
Beta, for question number 6, first I think I uploaded the answer key or not for the 3rd week.
Teacher, won't
Teacher,
we do question number 1?
No, we will not do.
Okay.
Question number 3, 4. Beta,
Can you repeat the question?
recording. See the screen, beta. I'm writing on the screen too.
Yes.
Question number 3. Question number 4. Okay, and question number 8. For question number 8 also, there are some parts which are included. I'll just tell you, wait. Which parts are included? Not all the parts are included. This is, okay, you can see in SOS also. And in SOS, it's written also that which are included. Wait. Yeah. Question number 8, part A to D means A, B, C, and D. Okay, and then there are some further questions, so I'll tell you further questions later. Okay. So the time is also up.
will not do E and F part?
No, they are not included.
Okay.
Okay, so you girls can go. I'll see you on Tuesday.
Have a nice day.
Allah Hafiz.
Miss, can you please confirm the day of the test?
Can you what?
Can you please confirm the day on what the test is on? The
Tuesday,
day.
beta. Day after tomorrow.
Okay.
Tuesday.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Allah Hafiz. Yes, you can also go, but just wait. Let me just give it to you. Take your copy and then go. Beta, you didn't explain it.
Allah Hafiz, Miss.
Allah Hafiz. You didn't explain any structure, beta. Did you explain? Explanation? Show me your copy. Open question number 5. I think you did. No structure. Yeah, see, explanation. Because it's written in the question that you have to explain it also. In these questions too. Okay, explain using diagrams. So just write the explanation that how these ions are formed. Okay, write explanation here. Remember I told you that you have to write in 3-4 lines. Your father comes early? Like on time? At home time?
I go by bus.
Oh, so bus uncle must be waiting. Hold. Wait. You also have to write explanation, okay?
Yeah.
Here. How these ions are formed. One electron. Okay. $19.
This is the first work I didn't do it. Like I.
Yeah, this is the first homework now.
Yeah.
Plus electrons are, electron sign is E minus. Okay, so always write minus at the top. Chlorine. Okay. Good. The online girls were saying that covalent bonding is easy.
Yeah.
Easier than ionic bonding.
I think both are easy.
Thank you. What's your name? Halima. Name not written.
Okay, I'm gonna write it.
Halima and Myra. Halima and Myra. I'll write on your OneNote. Halima and Myra. नहीं मैं उनकी कॉपीज चेक कर रही थी बच्चों की. हाँ? नहीं बस हो गया. बंद कर रही हूँ मैं. जी? हाँ जी, स्विच निकाल दें इसका.